Let me show you something about eggs that most people have never been told. What you never see. On average, for every hen that lays eggs, a male chick is born too. But males can't lay eggs, so the industry has no use for them. So, in the vast majority of egg farms, even free range ones, male chicks are killed on day one of their lives. But here's the good part. You don't have to support that. All you have to do is not buy the products with eggs in them. By doing that, you are choosing to not partake in this system. There are so many plant based options that taste amazing and don't involve any of this. If you want to learn what really happens in the egg industry and the dairy industry, tap here for the full video.